Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming you have managed server or admin rights. Without these, you can't change permissions. Once confirmed, open server settings and go straight to roles. Create or select a role that will be used to restrict link sending and make a note of which channels need different behavior. Then open the first channel's permissions to prepare for overrides. This is the first actionable step to stop links immediately while you configure system-wide controls. Now configure role and channel permissions. Deny the ability to embed links and attach files for the restricted role, and make sure send messages stays as intended. Once done, apply channel overrides for exceptions like announcements so trusted channels still work. Next, set up Discord auto mod rules, add custom keyword and domain blocks, or a rejects pattern to catch URLs. Make sure rule priority is correct and test with a non-moderator account. The combination of permissions and auto mod prevents links from posting reliably. Finish by testing thoroughly. Try sending links in restricted channels with different formats and subdomains so you catch edge cases. Make sure you inform moderators and post a short pinned rule or automated DM explaining the new policy so users know why links fail. Monitor the audit log and any bot logs for blocked messages. If legitimate links are blocked, adjust permissions or tweak auto mod rejects patterns to reduce false positives. If things go wrong, revert the last change and retest stepwise to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.